In this video, I'm going to show you how to categorize income in YNAB. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to your account to which you want to add income. So for example, I'm going to go to this first bank I have over here, and then you want to do add transaction. Now in here, you want to input a date. I'm just going to do today for this tutorial, but of course you can do whatever date you want. And then over here, it's going to say payee. Now this is basically what you can use to describe the source of the money. This could be a specific person or business, or just something more general like maybe paycheck, interest, or some gift or something like that. So let's say your income comes from a paycheck. I already have one created, but I'm still going to type that in. I'm going to type in paycheck. There we go. And then over here under category, you can go ahead and of course categorize it however you want. I'm just going to go ahead and do a ready to assign because it's of course this money is my income and it's going to be ready to assign. And that's of course how to basically categorize it. Okay. Of course, you could go ahead and categorize it as one of these things over here. But since this is just a paycheck, you could go ahead and do whichever one you want. I'm going to just do ready to assign here, and this is going to get added, and the memo can be whatever, and then the of course outflow is not going to happen because this is income, so you want to do inflow, and I'm going to do an inflow of 1,000 over here, and when I click on save here, it's basically going to credit my account. And if we go inside the plan here, it's also going to add some amount to actually be ready to assign. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.